How are you doing today? Matt Long, Realtor here. I am doing another video open house walkthrough. This lovely home here, we see these beautiful palms right up front. We have these custom pavers put in the drive right up front. St. Augustine is well taken care of, and white rock and all the shrub beds. Let's go ahead and head on up here and go inside. You see they have French door entrance here, and there's a little ramp. So if you have a scooter, it's already there. The ramp's already provided. All right. Now this home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with 2-car garage, as you've seen outside. This home was built in 1992. So this model of home that was built by the Villages is retired. But for those that have been actively looking, it is similar to the Grand Ficus model that you see now, the Grand Ficus floor plan. All right, we're just off to the right of the front door. We're heading on into the first bedroom. You can see here. Move around this way so the aperture on my lens can open up and you can see the room better. Trouble sometimes with the walkthrough tours, the light shines into the camera aperture and it closes and makes the room look darker than it is. So there's a decent sized front bedroom. There's a linen closet right here in the entry hallway. This would be the main or guest bathroom. One thing I like about this, they do have this is a walk-in soaking tub. For those you have never seen a bathtub this giant, this is I'm going to show you this, which is awesome, truly. If you struggle getting, like, as you can see here, it's a step, maybe 6 to 8 inch step. And there's a door here. And all you do, you see this lever, you pull it back, and it opens up here. This is sealed along here. You open up like that, make a bunch of noise. Don't make noise, you didn't do it right. You get in. As you can see here, you got your plug on the side here. Plug on the side here, and one down there. So when you plug this in down here, right, it's not going to overflow because there's a drain here. It shouldn't. Put it that way, right? When you get in, you close it, boom, lock it. You crank it up, and you sit and you soak, and it'll raise up. So it takes I think usually about 15-20 minutes to really fill up. So if you want to use a soaking tub, put time on your schedule for it. It's not a quick bath. It's something you're going to be sitting in there for a little while to get the water level to go up. But it's nice because you don't have a big step to get in, and you're not sitting down on the floor. There's actually a built-in bench here, and then you want to get out. You don't want to wait for it to. You don't want to sit and wait for it all day. You pop that bad boy out here, plug it back into the side, and then they have a flusher, just like the toilet. Bloop. You hit that, you make the sound as you do that, it flushes it down, so it pulls it out, uses gravity, similar to what the toilet does. And once it gets down, good, same way. Get out of there, make a bunch of noise, and you just took yourself a nice soaking bath without having to be in a situation where you're at higher risk for falling or slipping or being stuck there because your back and your legs and life has gotten a hold of you to where you can't just spring up anymore. Starts in your 30s. Kind of from there it progresses. Anyways, they're awesome. I don't usually go too in depth into features in my videos outside of pocket doors. But that is one of the features that not many people know about, so I like to take advantage of if there are some little features like that to show them. All right, as you see here, we are in the main living area, entertaining area, and this is the main dining. You'll notice this theme, there's a couple of murals here. This mural here was, it's like a wallpaper. So it's not an actual painted on mural, it was put on in sections. Nice lighting in here to the main dining room. We're going around here to the premier bedroom. There's a French door entrance, which is always nice because these French doors entrance like this, when it's at this angle, it seems to give a bit more room, functional space to the room. So as we come in here, as you can see, it just feels a bit more spacious. Good lighting in on both sides. I'm going to turn around here. See here, off to the right here, this is a sliding patio doors out to what was a breezeway. And now it's kind of almost like a Jack and Jill style breezeway opening to the kitchen. Head on in here to the premier ensuite bathroom. Let's see here. This is a long his and hers with room in the middle. It's built-in vanity. Some people use it for storage of laundry. You can hear this is nice size walk-in closet. So this closet is actually, it's wide enough and big enough. If somebody, let me back up here so I can kind of see my finger. If somebody here in the middle wanted to put, they have these kind of island risers. Sometimes they'll do it for shoes or stuff like that. You could actually go here in the middle, or if you wanted to, you could put in a bench here with drawers. So you have seating in the closet if you want to get dressed and you don't want to stand. Or you need somewhere to sit while you're trying to get dressed and you don't want to have to, get your clothes here and go back over here and then come back here, You can literally have a little bench here. Some of them have drawers on the bottom of them. If you want to know more about those and want references, contact me. I'll send some over to you gladly. There's also this place called Pinterest. They have all that stuff there. Really, they do. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool place. All right. As we can see here, good sized deep linen closet in here. This is nice because you have the linens in here, and some people don't like storing their cleaning supplies in their kitchen, or they don't have as much storage in their kitchen. So having at least one deep closet in the house allows to store vacuums and stuff like that without, having to be near your food area. This is a soaking tub. It is not a jacuzzi tub. There's no jets in here, as you can see. But it is a soaking tub, however. All right. So we're going to go ahead and utilize the breezeway. See here, this model of home is a retired model. They don't build these anymore. You're not going to find them in many areas. These were primarily built in the early 90s. There's similar models to this now. The most similar one that you would find right now would be called the Grand Ficus. That floor plan is similar, with spacious rooms. You can see here, this is the door that screen door they have going outside. So we have the, again, main living area, entertaining area. We're going to head into the kitchen from this way, through the breezeway. And this here is a window. So the mural they have here, they have it mirrored over here. And this is a window. This can come down. You can take that off. So it's not closed up permanently. It's not a permanent closure. It could be taken down if you wanted to have more light come in. And the nice thing about this, they do have this built out, so you have a bench seating here. So you can have a nice, a skinny, kind of a long, skinny bench style table here in the kitchen for breakfast, and you wouldn't have to leave the kitchen. You can still entertain within here, which is a definite plus. And being very close to the breezeway as well, that could be an area for entertaining as well. Now all the appliances in here they're upgraded. They got a stainless steel appliances made by Frigadier and KitchenAid. Got a Samsung. This is a nice dishwasher, but they're all stainless steel. And then they have the deep sinks. These are awesome. This reduces the chance of water getting all over the counter when you do dishes if you don't use a dishwasher. I grew up washing dishes by hand, so I really don't ever use a dishwasher. But these are nice. And also, if you need to thaw things out, or if you need to fill up a large pot of water or something like that, it being deep helps you be able to get the water in there without making a big mess. They do have a decent amount of cabinet space in here, along with pantry space here. So as you can see, like I was saying before, with having one deep closet where there's no pantry or a closet area here, but pantry space, no closet space to put a vacuum in, it's nice to have one deep one. So this brings us back out to the main dining room. We're gonna curve around here and head on into the garage. Let's see here. So this garage is lined with a grid locking tile system. It's similar to what you'd see in some gyms. So it's in obviously a checkered flag pattern. This is a 2-car garage. Wouldn't fit big cars, but you can fit 2 cars in here, or 1 car and a golf cart. You have some cabinetry that was erected here, so it's nice to have some storage space in the garage. There is shelving here. The shelves are here, all on top of each other, but you could imagine how it would look like as a bookshelf. And then here is your washer and dryer hookups. Obviously, no washer and dryer here, so none convey with the property. It's nice having the garage door as you enter the house close to the main entrance of the house. Some people could see this as a good investment opportunity, and there would be a few things that could be done to bring it up closer to where most things are at current day. If you have any questions about this house or any other houses in the villages, surrounding areas, or in Florida, or in general, I help you find a realtor anywhere in the United States or the world. You hit me up, Call or text 352-403-3730. My website's mattlongrealtor.com. And of course, you know, everywhere on social media, at mattlongrealtor. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, heart, emoji, thumbs up, and of course turn on that little bell so you get notifications of when I put up new videos like this. This one ran a little bit longer than most of my others, but by now you can see that there's some other videos you can go check out. I encourage you to do so. Be sure to, if you have questions, you can leave comments down below. I respond to all of them. Thank you again for enjoying this open house tour.